hello guys, I'm back, my recording is, did you know I am the best player at this? Lusa cannot beat me because I am so good at this. Do you know this really Lusa? He didn't know this because I probably know this because I am always. Look at this really Lusa. You cannot even beat me. No! Do you know Olaf? Do you know Olaf? Click, 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 click. Do you know that? No, so Rosa cannot do that because I am the best player in the world. Because no one can beat me. Please. I cannot check some people. People cannot check me. I am good. Rosa cannot beat me. Wait, wait. Hello, I'm back. I just paused it out. I am the best player. Rosa cannot beat me because I am the best player. In Kobe, he cannot beat me. When the owner, he cannot beat me. Wait, I'm gonna go to the. I'm back. I just took 1 second in 1/2 in second. No, I'm back again. I just knocked off the video because it's very easy the ube. Bakit ako lang Tagalog na hindi ako Tagalog? I'm dead. Oh, I'm done. I'm done by the way. Wait, 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 wait. This is my friend. This is my friend. This is my friend. And we gonna chat if you do lala kasi class